Hi my dear friends, today is my final video for Mahzooz draw prediction. The draw is drawing on 27th August 2022. Friends, these are my golden numbers. I was shown in my previous video 4, 19, 21. 16 powerful numbers out of 49, including with these 3 numbers. Friends, from 1 to 9 I have 3 numbers 2, 6, 9 and 4. From 10 to 19 I have 3 numbers 12, 14, 15 and 19. From 20 to 9 I have 2 numbers 25 and 26, and one golden number in this serial is 21. From 30 to 39 I have 2 numbers 32 and 34. 40 to 49 I have 3 numbers 41, 42 and last is 46. These are 13 numbers and 3 golden numbers. Total 16 number out of 49. Friends, most important point, you should select your maximum numbers between 19 to 46. 3 or 4 numbers should come between 19 to 46. Friends, you should select 3 even numbers and 2 odd numbers. Previous result, friends, previous result is 20, 30, 37, 39, 40. Friends, there is very weak chances to repeat the number from the previous result. According to my research, it has less chances to repeat. Okay friends, it is my overall prediction. If you like any number, these are powerful numbers, 13 powerful numbers and 3 golden numbers. These numbers have very good chances to come. I already explained in my previous video, and also this serial 41 to 46 has good chances to come. If you like any number, you can choose. If you don't like, leave it.